Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the camera picture size to full screen mode on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Next, we're going to launch the camera app. And then in order for you to change the camera picture size, you tap on this button here at the top. And once that comes out, you can see by default it might set to 3:4 ratio. And you can see that's the picture size by default. So if you want to change it to full screen size, you tap on that button. And then you choose full. And when you take a pictures, you can see it will comes in full size. So let me just refocus the picture. And here you can see the picture is now in full screen mode. And if I go back to the other ratio, 3/4, and if I take a photo here, you can see now the picture is in a different size. That's full screen size, and that's 3/4. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.